नमस्ते दोस्तों।
नमस्ते दोस्तों।
शुभ प्रभात। और आज हम जा रहे हैं मेरे को ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस आती आई वांट टू take Indian license, driving license. I have international, but an Iranian one also I have, but I don't have Indian one till now. I don't know why. We should have taken my visa also. That's why it became a little bit late. So now we are going outside to, what was the name of that place?
RTO Sangamwadi.
RTO Sangam something. We are going, so we will see. Like, I hope they will not ask me to do exam, or even if they ask me writing exam, I will not do. I hope they will not ask me. But I think they will ask.
एक्चुअली मैंने ऑनलाइन फॉर्म भर दिया है, वहाँ पे कुछ मेंशन तो नहीं किया है। देखते हैं अभी वहाँ पे बेटा को वेरिफिकेशन होने वाला है, वहाँ पे फोटो और साइन ले लेंगे शायद, और मे बी थंब इम्प्रेशन। देखते हैं क्या बोलते हैं। अगर उन्होंने बोला कि जल्दी हो जाएगा तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो फिर कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा।
और हवा बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत ज़्यादा।
इधर बहुत चेंज हो गया अभी, एकदम से गर्मी।
Let's see what will happen. We will show you. Bye. Guys, we just came to take print of my documents. Then we can go to RTO. Now this woman who was in the shop, I don't know how she understood. Suddenly she looked to me and she did like. Then I got a smile. Then she said, Marathi yet nahi? I said, थोड़ा सा येते. So means she understood. I am not from here. I am not Indian. But I don't know how she understood.
No, this समझ उनको पता चल रहा।
If I wear Indian dress, no one understand. I swear.
That day we asked what people said. We made one shot. We were asking people. Guess the country of Bita. Everyone was saying Indian dress with bindi you are wearing. Still people are saying.
No, but I didn't
people
have
are saying
friends.
Israel, America, Europe. So guys, मतलब एक शॉप है बाहरी है, 10 रुपीज़ ले रहे हैं। अभी क्या करें, मतलब जान दो अभी क्या है, उनका कर रहे कुछ भी, लेकिन कुछ नहीं है। आजू बाजू में कोई और जोरक शॉप नहीं, एक ही था, वो ले लिया। अभी देखते क्या बोलेंगे वो अंदर।
How much you pay?
190 rupees for
Oh my
19
God.
pages. It's like if you want to take, otherwise go.
They know.
And nearby no Xerox shop is there.
They know everyone needs. Let's see. I hope at least it will be useful.
अरे
Guys, we just finished our work and I did stamp also. So actually we thought maybe they will ask me to do exam. Still we don't know. But we went to do stamp and sign, and they took picture from me. That guy said that for foreigners there is no need of exam. So let's hope it's like this. Means I'll not again come here and this thing. And they took my documents. They said go now. We'll update you.
एक्चुअली हमने जो ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल किया था वो लाया साथ में, और डॉक्यूमेंट जो भी है, सिर्फ एड्रेस के लिए वो बात कर रही थी। मतलब ये एड्रेस के लिए बेटा का सी फॉर्म है, वीज़ा है, रेंट एग्रीमेंट मेरे नाम पे है, और बेटा का आधार कार्ड अभी तक नहीं है। मतलब गवर्नमेंट ने रूल किया है कुछ, तो 18 साल के ऊपर आधार कार्ड नहीं दे रहे हो, तो हमें मुंबई जाना पड़ेगा आधार कार्ड के लिए। तो देखते उसके अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल रहे हैं मुंबई की, इसलिए हम नहीं जा रहे हैं। देखते हैं अभी, लेट्स सी।
But once I started talking to them in Marathi, their behavior is so much changed. At starting, even one woman was there. She was checking documents. She was so angry. She was saying to everyone, "Go out, stand in line." Once I said he said I am foreigner, and I said मला पण थोडासा मराठी येते. Then so much she got changed.
She was smiling. Then everything changed. Then she said.
And suddenly she said, "I am also from Latur."
She said, "Where are you from?" I said, "Latur." Then she said, "Like I am also from Latur." Then she got happy. Then she was asking how you met and this thing. So I hope our Bita's driving license will come. International driving license is there till 9 November. Another also is there, that IDP. That one is till December. So there is no issue, but I hope it will come early and like it's finished. Otherwise, for if you go outside agent, they are saying 10,000 rupees for what? I don't understand. So then I was searching online. It was mentioning कि it's depend upon the person who is signing कि she need to give test or not.
Oh.
लेकिन हाँ लेकिन बेटा को 7 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, इंटरनेशनल ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है, इंडिया में भी उसने चला है गाड़ी, तो कोई इशू नहीं आना चाहिए. अभी भी कुछ पता नहीं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है आ जाएगा.
I hope it will
I hope it will come.
Okay,
Okay
चलो
then.
guys.
Bye.
Let's go. We'll go eat something.
We'll eat something and we'll go home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
So guys, one funny thing happened when we went to do biometric. That guy was roaming here and there. We said do. No one was there. Only me and Bita was there. I said 2 hour biometric. He's like, no.
Don't,
Come at 2.
Why
I
so?
said 1 minute will take. He's not listening, at 2 come. It's like at 1 to 2, I think their lunch break is there. But same thing happened, what should I say? On time, at 10 to start biometric, they'll not come on 10. They'll come at 11.
But he came on.
But he did properly. To him also we asked if she need a driving test or not. He said no need of driving test. So I hope
I hope
driving
it will come
license
by few days. Let's see.
Now we decided to go home, and there only we'll order something or we'll make something.
Yeah.
Okay then, for now,